Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best outdoor gear to help you enjoy your adventures to the fullest. Today, we're talking about an incredible addition to your camping toolkit, the Guide Gear Outdoor Wood Burning Stove. This stove has garnered attention for being one of the best wood stoves available on the market, and I'm excited to share its features and benefits with you. Let's jump right in. The Guide Gear Outdoor Wood Burning Stove is designed for portability and efficiency, making it perfect for cooking while camping, hiking, or just enjoying the great outdoors. Measuring 20 inches in diameter, 11 inches wide, and 13 inches high, it's compact enough to fit in your car or backpack, yet powerful enough to cook a full meal. Weighing in at 42.2 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for a stove of its capabilities. Now, let's talk about the design. This stove is made of durable metal, finished in a sleek black color that not only looks good but is also practical for outdoor use. Its robust construction ensures it can handle the rigors of outdoor cooking while providing excellent heat retention. The included chimney pipe allows for efficient smoke ventilation, which is essential for a safe and pleasant cooking experience. When it comes to functionality, the Guide Gear stove shines. It's designed for wood burning, making it an eco-friendly option for outdoor cooking. You can easily find firewood or sticks around your campsite, so there's no need to rely on propane or other fuels. The heat output is impressive, and users have noted that it heats up quickly, allowing you to get your meals prepared in no time. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or simmering a stew, this stove can handle it all. One of the standout features of this wood-burning stove is its portability. It comes with a simple assembly process, and its lightweight design means you can easily take it on backpacking trips, to your favorite fishing spot, or even to a tailgate party. The stove's straightforward setup allows you to focus on what really matters, enjoying your time outdoors. Of course, safety is paramount when dealing with fire. The Guide Gear Outdoor Wood Burning Stove is designed with safety in mind, featuring a chimney pipe that directs smoke away from you and your cooking area. It's important to follow safety guidelines, like keeping a safe distance from flammable materials and ensuring the stove is on a stable surface while in use. In summary, the Guide Gear Outdoor Wood Burning Stove is an excellent investment for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. With its sturdy construction, efficient performance, and portability, it truly stands out as one of the best wood stoves available today. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just getting started with outdoor cooking, this stove will enhance your experience and make your meals unforgettable. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in the Guide Gear Outdoor Wood Burning Stove, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and let us know in the comments your favorite outdoor cooking tips. See you next time.